Discover the magic of crispy, golden brown perfection with an air fryer, the ultimate tool for healthier, oil-free frying. With rapid air circulation, enjoy guilt-free versions of your favorite fried foods quick, easy, and delicious. That's why I've done the hard work for you, hours of research, reading countless reviews to bring you the very best options available. Whether you're looking for comfort, support, or value, this list has something for everyone. Stick around, and if you're curious about the details or prices, check the description below. Choosing the perfect air fryer can be overwhelming with so many options out there, each offering different features, benefits, and price points. Now, let's dive into the top air fryers that could transform your comfort. Product 1. Ninja Air Fryer. This high-performing, 4-quart model offers some of the most consistent quality. For those that want reliable cooking performance and a streamlined user experience, the air fryer from Ninja is one of the best. In our testing, it reliably added a delightful crispiness to food, and it provides one of the easiest to understand interfaces of all the models on the market. It also maintains nearly perfect temperature accuracy, meaning you can count on it to provide the same results over and over again. Our only small gripe is that the crisping plate does have some grooves and holes, which can make cleaning slightly more difficult than it needs to be. However, overall, this machine makes air frying about as quick, convenient, and tasty as it can get. Product 2. Instant Vortex Plus with Rotisserie. Good for air frying, but its extra cooking functions don't quite live up to expectations. The Instant Vortex Plus with Rotisserie is a good air fryer that offers multiple other cooking modes as well. While we were generally pleased with its air frying performance, its other cooking features failed to impress us. Overall, we would recommend either getting a dedicated air fryer or investing in one of the better performing multifunction devices over getting the Instant Vortex Plus with Rotisserie. Reasons to buy. Good air frying performance. Quite user-friendly. Product 3. Ninja Foodie 8-quart 2-basket. A dual basket air fryer meant to large families or to make a full meal. The Ninja Foodie 2-basket offers 2 separate baskets which can be set to different temperatures for mixed meals, big families, and parties. Not only is the temperature accuracy on point, but the Smart Start ensures both sides finish at the same time. The smooth baskets and drawers are easy to wipe down and dishwasher safe. While other options in our test suite provide a better cooking experience and performance, the 2-basket manages to crank out some juicy chicken and crunchy onion rings. If you are looking specifically for an air fryer with dual basket features, this may be the right option for you. Product 4. Instant Vortex Plus. Exceptional frying performance and an easy-to-clean design makes this one of the best options on the market. Featuring impeccable cooking performance, an easy-to-use interface, and a fry tray that is easy to clean, the Instant Vortex Plus offers a nearly impeccable air frying experience. It even features a larger-than-average 6-quart capacity, allowing you to prepare larger meals or bigger batches of sides. The only slight complaint we can levy against it is the price. It costs a bit more than the average air fryer. However, for those who are looking to approximate the taste of fried food while using a lot less oil, the Vortex Plus delivers results and a user experience that are well worth the extra cost. We feel comfortable saying that this is one of best air fryers we tested. Product 5. Ultrine Air Fryer. An effective and inexpensive model that offers excellent temperature accuracy and overall performance in a compact size. The Ultrine Air Fryer offers a great cost-to-performance ratio. In our tests, it offered similar cooking results to many devices that cost significantly more. It also displayed excellent temperature accuracy and is reasonably easy to use. It scored high marks for being incredibly easy to clean, and we like that the tray is dishwasher safe. While the very top-rated air fryers had slightly better cooking outcomes, the Ultrine did well in our 4 cooking tests. If you're shopping on a budget, we think this air fryer is a good choice. Reasons to buy. Inexpensive. Easy to clean. Small footprint. Great temperature accuracy. That wraps it up for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. For product prices or further details, check the description below. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment. I'm here to help. Stay tuned for more awesome products that are sure to make your life easier and more comfortable. See you in the next one.